Okay, good morning, all of you. Good morning once again. So we
Good
are
morning,
going.
ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, Anandita, Alia. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, only 7 students are joined. Okay, anyway, we will start our class. Okay, we are going to do more questions on menstruation area. Menstruation area of. We have studied area of rhombus trapezium, isn't it? What is area of a rhombus, Nikila? Area of rhombus,
Half into D1 D1 into D2.
D1 and D2 are
Diagonals.
length of diagonals. D1 and D2 are length of diagonals. The area of rhombus is equal to half D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are length of the diagonals. Okay, Agna, how can we find area of a trapezium? Agna, area of trapezium,
Half H into A plus B.
half H into A plus B. H and H is, Agna, what is H?
Height.
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 And height means distance between the parallel sides. A and B are
Parallel sides.
A and B are the length of the parallel sides. Okay. Now write the question. Question number 8. Question number 8 from exercise 11.2. Question number 8 from exercise 11.2. This was the question. Write the question, all of you. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. If he's buying a field and its shape is of trapezium, a trapezium shaped field. Its sides along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So that field is situated nearby a river and a road. The field is situated nearby a river and a road. And sides along the river is twice that of the side along the road. Its sides along the river is parallel and twice the side along the road. So the sides along the river and the road are parallel, given that it is a trapezium. So there will be a pair of opposite sides which are parallel, given that those parallel sides lies on either side of a road. One is on the side of a road, other one is on the side of a river, and the side along the side of the river is twice that of the side lies nearby the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square, area is given, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides means it is the height of the trapezium. H of the trapezium is 100 meter. Perpendicular distance between the sides along the river and road is equal to 100 meter. That is H for our. Find the length of the side along the river. Find the length of the side along the river. All of you write the question. Did you all write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, we need to draw the figure of the this question. Okay. So we have a trapezium shape, shaped trapezium shaped field. Trapezium shaped field. and one side is along the road. Here it is a road. And other side is along the river. Other side is along the river. This is river. Okay. And also given that this distance is 100 meters. This distance is 100 meters. Draw the figure. 100 meters. Road.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
It's there in your textbook. Exercise 11.2, 8th question. Exercise 11.2, 8th question. Jeff, did you understood the question? Alia, understood? What is given in the question? Okay, we have a trapezium shaped field. We have a trapezium shaped field. And, sorry. And the sides are along, one side is along the bank of the river, and the other side is as a road, along a road. Okay. And it is given that the side along the river is twice the side along the road. Distance between them is 100 meters. Okay. So it is given that the side along the river is twice the side along the river. So first of all, let us take the side length of the side along the road be x.
Over, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, we will take length of the side along the road be x. Length of the side along the road be x. We will take it as x. Then Anugrah, what will be the length of the side along the river? We are taking length of the side along the road be x. We are choosing that way. So what will be the length of the side along the river? Anugrah? How much it will be?
Ma'am,
How much? It is given that the length of the side along the river will be twice the length of the side along the road. So we take that along the road, the length of the side is as x. We took in that way. So how much will be the length of the side along the river? It will be twice as that of the side along the road. So twice means it will be
X.
2x. Yeah,
2x.
yes. Okay, yes. Therefore, the side along the river equal to 2x. Side along the road is x, then side along the river is 2x. Okay. And given that area of trapezium is area of the field. How much it is given? Area of the field is? Area of the field is given in the question. How much?
10,500 meters.
10,500 meters square. But we know that the formula for finding a trapezium, area of trapezium is
Half.
area of trapezium is equal to
half
Half into A plus B by 2.
Half
I-
into H into A plus B by
H
2.
into A plus B by 2.
H into A plus B by 2. H into A plus B by 2. So, therefore, we can write H into A plus B by 2 equal to 10,500. H equal to 100 is given in the question. A equal to, we can take it as x and B as 2x, the sides of the trapezium. So 100 into x plus 2x by 2 equal to 10,500. So 100 into 3x by 2 equal to 10,500. This we can cancel as 50. So 50 into 3, 150. 150 x equal to 10,500. So x equal to 10,500 by x, by 150. 10,500 by 150. Find how much it is. 1 0 we can cancel. So 1050 by 50. Find. Very important question. Note it as and write and study today itself. Okay. Find the value of x. Ansel, Alsan, Vinayak, switch on your video. Saiba, Hari Krishnan,
70.
all of you switch on your video.
70.
How much it is?
70
70 meter.
square.
No,
centimeter.
side 70 meter, correct. 70 meter. Now, what was the question? We need to find the length of the side along the river. We got x as 70. X is 70 meter. Therefore, length of side along the river is how much? Length of the side along the river is 2x. So 2 into 70 equal to 140
140
meter. 140 meter. Length of the river along the length of the side of the trapezium along the river is 140 meter. I will explain once again. All of you read the question once. It is given that we have a trapezium shaped field. Okay. And one side is along the river, other side is along the road. So this is the river and here is a road. Also given that the side along the river is more lengthier. How much? It is the twice of the side along the road. The side along the river is twice the side along the road. So what we did, we take the side along, we can take the side along the road bx. We took it as x, side along the road bx. We can take in that way. We are choosing. Okay. So the side along the river will be its twice. Twice means 2x. So side along the river be 2x. Now area of the field is given. Area of the field is given as 10,500 meter square. Area of the field be 10,500 meter square. But we know the formula for finding area of the trapezium is equal to h into a plus b by 2. Okay, so h into a plus b by 2 equal to 10,500. H is given, distance between the parallel sides is equal to 100. So 100 into one side is x, other side is 2x. So x plus 2x. A and B are x and 2x. Adding we will get 3x by 2. 2 we can cancel 50 times in 100. So 100 into 3x and 50 into 3x. Then it is 150x. So x equal to 10,500 divided by 150. Cancel zeros. It is equal to x equal to 70. But our question is we need to find the length along the length of the side along the river. The length of the side along the river is 2x. So 2 into 70, 140 meter. Understood all of you? Is that
ma'am.
clear to all? Hira, Ansel, Salin, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move to the next question? Anugrav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
The next question is 11.2 ninth question. 11.2 ninth question. What is it going? Not seeing. Oh, that page went somewhere. The top surface of raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Octagon means how many sides?
8 sides.
8 sides. Okay. The top surface of a raised platform, like a stage, octagon shaped stage. In the octagon. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Find the area of the octagonal surface, and given that sides are 5 meter, sides are 5 meter, and this length is 11 meter, and this height is 4 meter. This is given. 4 meter. Draw the figure. A regular octagon. A regular octagon. A regular octagon with sides are 5 meter, and distance between these 2 points given as 11 meter, and that height is 4 meter. Did you write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are moving to this. So this is the platform given. Okay. Sides are 5 meter, and this length is 11 meter, and this height is 4 meter. We need to find the total area of this octagonal shaped figure. The total area of the octagonal shaped figure. Okay. So this is a polygon. How can we find area of polygon? We have studied how we will How can we do that? Salin, how can we find area of polygons? Salin? Polygons, how we will find area? What can we do? For a polygon, we don't know what is the formula. So what we will do? Hmm?
Take the side.
Hmm? Hmm?
Take the side.
Take the sides.
9 into 5.
No. Nikila? Yes.
General quadrilateral.
General coordinate. General coordinate. In general quadrilaterals, what we are doing? We are making it into triangles, isn't it? But this is not a general quadrilateral. It is an octagon. So what can we do? We can divide the given polygon into some figures that we know. Okay, so here we will draw some diagonals. In general quadrilateral, we draw diagonal so that the quadrilateral dividing into two triangles. Then we can find the area of the triangles. The same way, in this octagon, what we will do, we will draw some diagonals so that the figure will be changes to some shapes whose equations which we may know. Okay, so here we will draw one more diagonal. So what is the top shape? 1, 2, 3. First part is a
Trapezium.
trapezium. Second part is a
Rectangle.
rectangle. And third part is a trapezium. Now we can find area because we know how to find area of trapezium. We know how to find area of rectangle. Okay, so here we got two trapeziums and one rectangle. For that we know the formula. So we can find the area of the octagon. Understood? What we will do when we are going to, when we ask to find area of a polygon, we can draw some diagonals so that the polygon will change, dividing into some shapes that we may know. Okay, whose equations we may know. So first of all, you write the given octagon can be divided into the given octagon can be divided into three parts. Can be divided into three parts. Can be divided into three parts. First is a trapezium. Second is a rectangle. Third also a trapezium. Third is a trapezium. Side is 5 meters. All the regular polygon, hence it is sides are 5 meters. Okay. Now we will find the area of trapezium. To find area of trapeziums. Area of trapezium formula?
H into A plus B divided by 2.
Right.
H into A plus B
Very
divided
good,
by
very good. Trapezium equal to H into A plus B by 2. And we have H equal to
4
distance,
meter.
4 meter. Very good. A
5 meter.
5 meter. B
5 meter.
11 meter. Everything is given. Okay. Therefore, area equal to 4 into 5 plus 11 by 2. 2 we can cancel. 2 into 16. 32 meters square. 32 meters square. Therefore, area of two trapeziums. We have two trapeziums. area of two trapeziums. Area. Okay, therefore area of two trapeziums. Two into 32, 64 meter square. So we got area of the first part and third part. We got area of the first part and third part. Okay, this much understood all of you, Asin? Understood? Okay. Now we will find area of the rectangular part. Second part. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. To get the area of rectangle. Formula?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. LB. L is? See the figure. How much L? L equal to 11 meter.
11 meter.
And B equal to
5 meter.
5 meter.
5 meter. Okay. So LB equal to 11 into
5.
5.
55.
55 meter square. Therefore, total area of the octagon equal to 64 plus 55. 64 plus 55 is 64 plus 55 is
190.
190 meter square. The required area of the octagon is 190 meter square. Area of the octagon is 190 meter square. Okay, I will explain it once again. Okay, so here we have a octagonal figure, octagonal platform. We have an octagonal platform. It is a regular octagon and given that sides are 5 meters. Also given length of one diagonal 11 meter and height of this height is 4 meter. So first we divide the given octagon into 3 parts by drawing 2 diagonals. Okay. For finding area of any polygon, this is our method. We will draw some diagonals so that we will get some figures whose equations we know. Okay, some shapes whose equation we may know. So here we divide the given octagon into 3 parts. 2 are trapeziums and one is a rectangle. And for finding the area of these trapeziums and rectangle are given in the question. So first we find area of the trapezium. We are going to find area of the trapezium. We know that formula is h into a plus b by 2. H is equal to how much? 4 meters, and the distance, two parallel sides are 5 meter and 11 meter. So we got area of a trapezium as 32 meter square. But we have two trapeziums. So 2 into 32, we have 64 meter square. Area of the trapeziums are 64 meter square. After that, we are finding the area of the rectangle. L into B, L is 11, B equal to 5. So area of the rectangle is 55 meter square. So the total area of the octagon is 64 plus 55. Area of the two trapeziums and area of the rectangle part. So area of the octagon equal to 119 meter square. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Rudra? Okay. So by this, our exercise 11 point is over. Next period, we will discuss about surface area of shapes. Okay, solid shapes like cube, cylinder, and cuboid, these things. Okay, so next period, we will discuss surface area of shapes, solid shapes. Okay, so we will meet in the next period. When is our next period?
12:10.
12:10.
Well done.